Hey everyone, it's Dr. Chelsea here with Chiropractic in beautiful Castle Rock, Colorado. And today I want to talk to you guys about something that we see all the time in our office, and that is headaches. I'm sure you yourself or someone in your life has experienced at least one headache in your lifetime. And I can guarantee you did not get a headache because of a lack of aspirin in your system. There's really a deeper cause for what is causing that pain. And so that's what we do in this office, is we get to the root cause, which comes from your spine and your nervous system. Now, several things could be happening, such as a misalignment in your spine causing pressure and irritation on that nerve going to many different tissues and muscles of your neck. But it also is able to restrict blood flow and CSF. Now, CSF is cerebral spinal fluid, which is what helps cushion your brain and your skull, but also sends nutrients and waste throughout your nervous system and spinal cord to help your nervous system function the way it's supposed to. So even the most minuscule misalignment in your neck, especially in this upper cervical area here, can cause that restriction of blood flow or CSF or irritation on those nerves, causing all that pain that you're experiencing. So what we do is we find those specific areas and come in with our very gentle and specific adjusting tool here, delivering that specific adjustment and allowing that body to be restored in its function and the blood flow and CSF flow to be flowing the way they're supposed to again, and no twisting, popping, or cracking there. Now, if you are experiencing headaches or you know someone who's experiencing headaches and they could really use our help, please send them our way. Give our office a call to come in and get specifically evaluated. And please like, comment, and share this video below. Have a great day.